Welcome back. Today we're going to go over a quick way to record a macro to format data for reports or files that are recurring, about the same size, and you'll need to do the same formatting for each. So you're going to want to make sure you have a developer tab. So you're going to want to right click on any of these, customize the ribbon. On the right side, developer will be unchecked. So you're going to check it, click OK. So we can actually insert a button. So in the developer tab, insert the first one, which will be a button. So we'll assign it a macro, but we don't have any yet. So we can just move it out of the way. Now we're going to want to hit record macro. You can name it anything, put a description, and even a shortcut key. So that could be useful for doing it as quickly as possible, like right when you open a file. So we'll click OK. So now we'll just format the columns. Double click. For this top row, we'll increase the font size, make it blue. We'll make the background blue. Then we're going to want to re-click everything to get them the right size. Then we can also make sure everything's centered. And we can even do conditional formatting. So we could do new rule, cells that contain. So we'll do specific text being 2. So this will be 2 bathroom. This is home data for a realty company. So then we can format it to a color. Go to fill. We'll format it green to let us know. Click OK. You can add as many of those conditional formattings as you want. So let's do another one. So we'll do price, conditional formatting. So we could do for everything greater than, we'll do 200,000. As you can see, as we increased that price, some went blank or no fill. So only ones over 200,000 will be formatted. We can do green, click OK, and then we'll just make this color blue again. Well, and actually what we're going to want to do is clear that row from current selection, delete the row, click OK, then come down, Control Shift down, conditional formatting greater than 200,000, green, click OK. Then to go to the top, we're going to want to click here, Control up, brings us to the top, stop recording. So that wasn't as efficient since we had to go back and redo some formatting, but it'll still work. So now let's undo everything that we did. So no fill, make them smaller. We can resize all of these to be a little bigger. And then we will go to conditional formatting, clear rows from entire sheet. So now we're at exactly where we started. So if we right click assign macro, let's just use this macro. So now if we click out of that button, when we click this, it'll run through the macro and format everything. And there the macro ran. So the formatting is exactly what we wanted, and this is a great way to quickly format your data for recurring files. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to see any other Excel tutorials, Google Sheets tutorials, PowerPoint and Word tutorials, or really anything else. Thanks for watching.